Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be going over how to create your own workout plan. So I create a workout schedule for you guys, which is how I do the April calendar, the May calendar. It's a schedule, a general schedule. Now a workout plan is different. A workout plan is what muscle groups you're going to train that day, what muscle groups you're going to train that week, when are your rest days, when are your workout days. So we're going to go over all that today. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button and let's get started. So I've got a little list on my phone here so that I don't go off on a tangent and forget what I'm supposed to be talking about. So we're just gonna go down the list. All right, starting off with your time and availability. Number one is so important, your time. I recommend that you pick a time to do your workouts every single day and you stick to that consistent time so that it's easy for you to plan around your schedule around that or plan it into the schedule. So say you're really busy and you work early in the morning. So your shift is like from 5 to 2 p.m. Obviously, you're not going to try to hit a workout at 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. Lots of gyms aren't even open at that time. So what you would do is you would schedule, okay, my work time is here, then I'm going to come home, do X, Y, Z, and then I'm going to work out at 6 p.m. Or I'm going to go from work straight to the gym at 3:30 to 5:30. However long you're going to train is also up to you. So you have to consider what time is good for you on your schedule and your availability. How long are your training sessions gonna be? Oftentimes on YouTube, our training sessions here on YouTube are shorter because it's a home workout. You guys don't have much time. It's like a quick workout and go type of video, early in the morning, late in the afternoon, whatever it may be, it's shorter. It's also time span or attention span. Most people don't have a very long attention span to watch something, but if you're in the gym and you're training, it's different. You can work out a lot harder and longer. And if you have an accountability partner or a trainer, it helps even more. So what is your time and your availability for these workouts? That's the number one thing that you should ask yourself. Number two, the exercise schedule. So this is what I said earlier. I plan the April calendar and we have a general overview of what we're going to do in April. These are the videos I'm going to be releasing in April. Now, what you should be doing is saying, okay, she's releasing these videos on these dates and I'm going to create my workout schedule for that. So Monday I'm going to train upper body. Tuesday I'm going to train legs. Wednesday I'm going to be taking a break. I'm not working out at all. Thursday I'm going to train abs. Friday I'm going to train upper body again. Saturday I'm going to train legs. Sunday I'm off. So it's really important to create a schedule for your body. You need to schedule in rest days as well, you guys, because your body needs time to recover. And we did a podcast on overtraining. If you haven't checked out the podcast, I'll link it above and leave the link down below so you guys can listen to the podcast on overtraining and why you might not be seeing results. That is why I put out that April calendar. The April calendar is not necessarily what you have to follow. You don't have to do a workout like I do and put something out and do a workout every single day. What you should be doing is saying, okay, this is my schedule. I'm going to work out every day at 6 o'clock. I've got an hour and a half. I'm gonna do 3 videos if they're short videos, and I'm gonna train glutes. So let me pick out 3 glute videos for Tuesday to train my lower body, because that's my lower body day. And then what you do is you go to YouTube or you go to the gym, wherever you're gonna be training, you pick out those exercises for that day. So say you picked out 3 ab exercise workouts. You're gonna be doing planks and Russian twists and cross crunches and toe taps, and you literally just follow the schedule. And this is how you can get organized at home and stick to an exercise schedule. But it's very important that you factor in those rest days for yourself. And I highly recommend, if you're a beginner, take more rest days. Do not go out and just push yourself to the max. I'm gonna train legs today, 55 minutes, and just pick the hardest exercises on YouTube, on my channel, or if you're going into a gym. Don't do that to yourself. You're gonna get so sore, you're gonna be sore for multiple days, and you're going to throw off your schedule. Then you're gonna say, oh, I'm so sore, I can't even do anything, I can barely walk, I'm gonna skip the gym, and then after a couple days of skipping the gym, you're no longer motivated to get in the gym, and you drop your goals altogether. As a beginner, factor in more rest days. If I were a beginner, and I was making my workout schedule, my workout plan, I would say, okay, Monday I'm gonna hit upper body, Tuesday I'm taking rest day. Wednesday I'm gonna hit lower body, Thursday I'm gonna hit rest day. Saturday I'm gonna do some abs, or Friday I'm gonna do some abs, Saturday and Sunday I'm taking off. fresh on Monday. And so you put yourself into a positive position. And even Sunday, you can do a light active day. You could do a stretching day or a foam rolling day, or just walk outside, go for a light jog in the morning. You can have a little bit of activity, but you don't want to be pushing yourself every day if you're a beginner, because as a beginner, your body is not used to that much stress, and you may overtrain, hurt yourself, and then also just be so sore that you get discouraged. So that's the second thing. You definitely have to figure out what your training is going to be like, your schedule, your days on and off. Number three, it's the types of training you're going to be doing. So you're going to be doing strength training. Are you going to lift weights? Are you going to hit yoga? Are you going to hit Pilates? Are you going to do a bar class? Are you more interested in, cycling and, taking a spin class? These are the things you need to really figure out for yourself, because exercise, there's so many different ways to exercise. And I highly recommend you find the way of exercise that you actually enjoy doing. A lot of people try working out in the gym with weights. They're like, okay, weight training is the only way to get fit. So they try weight training, but they hate weight training. And then they end up giving up because they don't even like the activity. Finding an activity that suits you and suits your interest is really important for the longevity. Remember, fitness is a long-term thing. You're gonna wanna do it for the rest of your life, or at least that's the goal, right? You wanna do it all of your life. You wanna start somewhere and then just continue to maintain yourself, maintain those healthy habits. It's not get to the goal and quit, and then you're gonna let all your progress go, and then you're gonna have to start from square one again. That's such a waste of time. I highly recommend picking out something that you enjoy. Personally, I love lifting weights. I love the way my body looks when I lift weights, the muscle definition, just what I can do with my body when I train weights, how I can grow, or I can literally gain and lean. Like, it's just so amazing what the body can do in general, but there's so many different forms. I like yoga, I like Pilates. That's like fine tuning for me. For me, it's like, okay, I'll strength train, I'll hit the weights, and then I'll get like where I want to get, and then from there I'll fine tune it. Okay, I want a little bit more definition. I want to lean out a little bit. I'm gonna hit a couple yoga classes, get my core tight, get my ab lines showing. Pilates, get that definition, that muscle length. And so it's all about finding what fits your preference. That's the way to go. That's the way to do it, because you really want to enjoy what you're doing, so you do it for a long time. So check out what time you're gonna work out, stick to a time every single day, get on a schedule, find how long you're gonna be available for. I'm gonna train for 30 minutes, I'm gonna train for 45 minutes, I'm going in for an hour and a half. It's also not the length of time that you work out. I'm gonna say this because a lot of people, and I see this in the gym, it's a big misconception. What happens sometimes is, I hit the gym for 2 hours. Well, in that 2 hours, you were hitting one rep and then on your phone for like 13 minutes, and then you get one more rep and then you're on your phone for 13 minutes, and it's just like, okay, you were in there for 2 hours, but did you really get a good workout? And that's my thing. If you can get in and hit it hard, hit it fast, you don't need to be in there for 30 minutes. An hour, 2 hours. You can literally condense your workouts, 30 to 45 minutes, hit a solid workout where you push yourself, you're sore the next day. It doesn't have to be 3 hours, 4 hours, all this stuff that people do, which is honestly just a waste of time. So time, availability, you wanna figure out what your schedule is actually gonna look like. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. What are you doing on those days? Break it down, pick out. You can even have like a little note in your phone. If you're gonna be doing YouTube exercises, YouTube workouts, type in Monday, and then put a little colon, leg day. And then find, a few leg day workouts you wanna do. My channel, of course, or you can use anybody's channel, This is just to help you find what's good for you. And then you take those links and you paste them on that day. And then you say, okay, in sequential order, I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, that's Monday. Tuesday, it's gonna be upper body day. I wanna work on my tricep workouts. Go into YouTube, take 2 or 3 videos, depending on your availability, the length of time you wanna train. So if you're training for 45 minutes, you're gonna get like a 30-minute video and a 15-minute video, or you're gonna get 2 20-minute videos and a 5-minute cool down. It's up to you. And then Wednesday, okay, I'm taking a rest day because I'm training hard. This is how you can do it so that you're organized and you stay consistent. It's easy to find what you're looking for. And then the last one, you want to find what kind of activities are you going to be doing. Is losing weight important to you? I highly recommend strength training. I highly recommend lifting weights if you're trying to lose weight. Muscle burns more fat than fat. So if you have more muscle in your body, you're gonna burn a lot more fat. So if you increase the amount of weight you have in your body that's muscle mass, you're gonna burn fat way faster. So strength training, lifting weights, if you're like, okay, I'm not trying to lose weight, I'm just trying to get toned up and I don't like to lift that weight, it hurts my body. Yoga, Pilates. There's a great channel on here called Yoga with Adrienne. Shout out to her. She has the best, she does like a 30-day yoga transformation and you can follow her from day 1 to day 30 and you can do the exercise with her. And it's amazing. I've done her exercises. She's legit. Finding what type of training you want to do is really important. Now that's how you set up a workout plan for success. And don't forget guys, eating good is part of a healthy lifestyle, a healthy workout plan. You want to be able to feed your body what it needs in order to see results. With that being said, I do have workout plans on my website if you guys are not interested in creating your own workout plan and taking your own time. I'll link it down below so you guys can check it out for yourself. If you want me to create a custom workout plan for you, click the link down below, check that out. If not, best of luck, and I really hope you put something together so you can just stick to it. It's so much easier if you have a schedule and you have a plan. It's gonna be like boom, 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 and you're not gonna be like scrolling forever, like what video do I do today? It's just it's very time consuming and it's way more effective if you just schedule it out. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed these tips. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget guys, if you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button. And if you're ready for a workout, I'm gonna leave one here on the screen and I'll see you guys in that video. Bye.